For all of you that don't know, I got my S2000 already. Silverstone metallic, sitting pretty. It's lowered on iBox screens, stock struts. Just had the intake. What else do they have? I think it was track driven because they had a bunch of block kits. It has like 102,000 miles on the body. I've had it for like a month. I bought it on Cinco de Mayo. Pretty clean, stock. Otherwise, has a nice drop to it. The interior. I'll open this bad boy. Pretty nice. Turn this bad boy on. My daily driver, so I put a good amount of miles on it already. Nice fucking car, dude. I'm happy with it. I want to buy some RPF1s for it. Get a little fucking shift knob. I want to buy a RPF1s for it. Not really. RPF1s for it, pretty much just for now. Kind of cheap. I was gonna buy some XXRs 527, but the offset's gonna be crazy since I'm running just stock struts. I'm not gonna be able to camber it out and shit, so pretty much stock. Have it just looking nice. Everything looks nice. It's this shit. A little fucked up right there. Everything else is pretty much clean. Dash is pretty clean. Nothing really big. It's bad. Pedals look nice. Everything's nice. Finally decided to make a video. It's been like a fucking while. It's been like a month. Did my first car payment last Thursday. Today is what, Saturday? Last Thursday, $350. I'm gonna hopefully refinance it. I got a big interest rate. It's like at 11.9, pretty much 12%. That's pretty much my car right there. Like sweet. The top works and everything. Woo!